How to restore the lost or deleted notes in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open Notes app, and here you can see the option recently deleted. Now click on recently deleted, and then on top right corner you can see the edit option. Now click on it, and here you can select our notes you want to restore. Then simply select, and here you can see the option move, and simply click on notes, and then go back and open notes, and here you can see it will be recovered. So this is the way to restore the lost or deleted notes in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.